Alright, in this video I'll show you how I made these two corner shelves with one 8-foot by 7.5-inch board. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of rough out the dimensions. So since it's going in the corner, I kind of have some specific dimensions to reach the window. Alright, and then I'm going to be cutting a series of miters. So my cuts are at 45 degrees, and then these cuts here are 90 degrees or 0 on your miter saw. My first two pieces are going to be 20 inches from the end of the miter, because that's going to butt into the corner, and I know that I only have 20 inches of wall space on that wall before I reach the window. And then my next set of cuts are going to be whatever I kind of have remaining on the board, which is about like 28 inches, I believe. Then I'm going to make sure my miters lined up nicely, and they do. And then I'm going to be marking out the lines here for the dowel jig, which I'm going to use to join these corners together. This is just a PowerTech 3/8 inch dowel jig. It's meant for about 3/4 inch material. I like this jig a lot. I use it all the time. Works great. Gets you a nice strong joint. Also, I didn't say this earlier, but this is Alder I'm using. So if you'd like to get the same look, you just got to pick up some Alder. Alright, and then now that I got my holes drilled, I'm going to put a bunch of glue in them and also on the miter itself. Then I'm going to use my Pony Jorgensen 24-inch heavy-duty clamps to get a nice clean and tight joint. And then after a couple hours I'll take it out of clamps and be putting Walrus Oil's Furniture Finish on here. Alright, and then here I'm using Franklin Sensors stud finder. It's my favorite stud finder ever. And I'm going to be putting my L brackets right on the studs so I don't have to use any wall anchors, and they will be able to hold a lot of weight. And you can kind of see it in this shot, but I'm using a laser level to get my L brackets in the exact same spot so I don't have to use an actual level. And it worked perfectly. And then the last thing that you need to do is put some screws at the bottom of your L brackets to hold those shelves in place. Please let me know if you liked this video, if it made sense, things that you liked or didn't like, or other questions that I could answer for you.